Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share an all-in-one AI tool that can take your creativity to the next level. With this powerful platform, you can design stunning, high-quality images and create viral videos that are dominating social media right now. And that's just the beginning. This tool also gives you access to some of the most advanced LLM models, including GPT 4.1, GPT 5, GPT 4o, Claude Sonnet 3.7, Gemini 2.0 Pro, and many more. Plus, it comes with a wide range of pre-built templates, making video creation faster, easier, and more professional than ever before. Ready to take your content game to the next level? Let's dive in. First, head over to the ChatArt website using the link provided in the description. Once you're there, click the Sign Up button on the top right. You can register quickly using your Google account or email. Once your sign-up is complete, after that, you can start using these tools. Let's start with GPT 4.1. Simply type your prompt into the input box. I'll use an easy example. Write 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2025. Click the generate icon, and you'll see it instantly start creating a list of ideas. What's impressive is that each idea comes with a niche, suggested video format, target audience, and monetization strategies. For example, first idea focuses on the tech and current affairs niche, with AI voiceovers and animated news graphics, audience, along with tips on monetization. Now let's test the same prompt with GPT-5 and see the difference. GPT-5 delivers even more trending ideas, highlighting AI-driven content, short-form videos, and digital lifestyle niches, which are in high demand right now. Honestly, both results were excellent. And now let's move on to one of the most exciting features, image generation. Let's now explore the image section of the platform. Simply click on the image option to get started. Here, you can create stunning visuals from plain text, edit existing images, or even design custom avatars effortlessly. As you scroll down, you'll notice a wide selection of pre-designed templates that allow you to generate high-quality images within seconds. For this demonstration, I'll pick one of these templates. Just click on Create Similar, and you'll see an interface with most details pre-filled. All I need to do is select the image ratio and hit Generate. Within moments, your image will be ready. And as you can see, the results are impressive. Next, let's dive into the text-to-image feature. To access it, click on Text-to-Image. The interface is similar to what we saw earlier. Start by choosing your preferred image style. I'll leave it on default for now. Then, enter your image prompt in the text box. Below, you'll find additional settings that allow you to enhance your prompt for even better results. Once that's done, select the image model, ratio, and the number of images you want to generate. For this example, I'll generate just one. Finally, click Generate, and within seconds, your customized image will be ready. Notice how well it captures the prompt, even adding an attractive background. Now let's move on to the video feature. This section also offers a variety of ready-to-use templates that make creating viral AI-powered videos incredibly easy. I'll select one of these templates to show you how it works. The interface is straightforward. You can upload your own image or pick one from the available options. After selecting an image, click Generate, and in a few seconds, your video will be ready. The quality is outstanding and perfect for social media. Let's try another template for variety. There are plenty of creative options available, and I'll go with this one. The process is exactly the same. Select the template, make your adjustments, and hit Generate. Within moments, you'll have another eye-catching video ready to share. The results are outstanding and deliver exceptional quality. Now let me show you how to turn an image into a stunning video in just a few seconds. First, go back and select a new template. You'll see the same interface appear. Simply upload your image in the designated box and hit the Generate button. Within moments, your video will be ready. Once again, the output quality is fantastic. Let's try creating another video using the same image. Just choose a different template, upload your image, click Generate, and wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the video is ready almost instantly. These results speak for themselves. High-quality, professional-looking videos created in record time. With these pre-made templates, you can create viral content effortlessly without wasting hours on editing. And that's not all. This platform also offers powerful tools like AI Writer, image editing, and more to take your creativity to the next level. I've included the ChatArt link in the description, so go ahead and explore it today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing AI tool tutorials every week. See you in the next video.